Yeah. Oh. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh. Heart still warm. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh. Gravel under my foot, solid. Just tried the bubble, me still stroll. Life never paved in gold for me. Just crack cement and honesty.
Me learn early how to survive. Keep hope steady just to stay alive. Faces change when money thin, but me not let the cold creep in.
World get rough, people get hard, but me guard me heart, not build no wall. Hard road, soft heart. Me not let the struggle tear me apart. Even when the days stay dark, me keep a light in my heart. Hard road, soft heart. Me still choose love from the start.
Pressure heavy journey long, but kindness make me strong.
Hey, hey. Me see man turn stone from pain. Smile disappear like summer rain. Trust break down like holes in gate. Hunger makes some man lose faith. But me not trade soul for pride. Not let bitterness live inside. If life rough me up a bit, me still stand firm and legit though. Scar on skin, but warmth within. Me not let the darkness win. Yeah, yeah. Hard road, soft heart. Me not let the system tear me apart. Even when the odds stack high, me still greet the day with a try. Hard road, soft heart. Me not let the pressure change my chart. Me walk strong, me talk true. Still got love for me and you. Ooh, still got love for me and you. Ooh, me know easy way tempt the soul. Going revenge feel like control, but me rather sleep with peace at night than lose my spirit in a fight.
Tough outside, gentle cold. That's what strength was made for. Not every warrior shout and roar. Some just endure.
Hard road, soft heart, and carry both and play my part. Through the storm, through the sky, me know exactly who me are. Hard road, soft heart, and not let the world tear me apart. Me bend, me bruise.